Hello, sweet soul. Go ahead and sink into whatever position feels most supportive to you right now. Laying down, sitting cushioned, wherever you can give your body permission to unburden itself. Softly allow your eyes to close. Let the eyelids rest heavily over your eyes, turning your focus inward. Let us start by stripping away all expectations. If you came here today feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, or disappointed, if it feels like life has been handing you one heavy thing after another, hear this clearly. You do not have to force a smile here. You do not have to pretend everything is fine. We are throwing out toxic positivity. Real gratitude is not about ignoring your pain, nor is it about pretending hard things aren't hard. It is simply giving your nervous system a tiny, safe island to rest on while the storm passes. Notice your physical sanctuary right now. Say hello to your body. Unclamp your jaw. Soften the tiny muscles around your temples and forehead. Drop your shoulders entirely out of your ears. Let your stomach relax and expand without holding it in. Give your body full permission to be human, to feel weary, and to rest. Take a slow, deep breath into the lowest part of your lungs. Hold it gently at the peak, and let it fall away with a long, unhurried sigh. When we go through difficult seasons, our bodies store the residue of that stress. It lives as physical knots, tightness in the chest, or a heavy sinking feeling in the stomach. Instead of running from that discomfort, we are going to offer it immense compassion. Imagine your physical body is like a garden after a harsh winter storm. The soil is wet, the air is cold, and things feel bare. You don't yell at the garden for being frozen. You wrap a warm blanket around yourself and wait patiently for spring. Scan your body right now. Where are you holding the heaviest tension? Is it a lump in your throat, a tightness in your rib cage, a knot in your gut? Place one flat, warm palm directly over that spot. Let your hand send a pulse of physical comfort into that tissue. Speak silently to that tension. I see how hard you've been working to protect me. I know you are tired. It is safe to soften right now. You don't need to fix your life in this exact 15 minutes. The only thing required of you right now is to let the air move in and let the air move out. Inhale clean, cooling relief straight into that warm palm. And exhale, letting the tightness melt just 5% more. Now we step into gentle gratitude, not grand, overwhelming thankfulness, but micro anchors, small, quiet truths that remain safe even when the world feels loud. Look for the smallest anchor of comfort available to you right now. It could be the softness of the fabric resting against your skin, the quiet warmth of the blanket over your legs, the steady, quiet beat of your heart that has kept you going through every difficult day you have ever survived. Notice how that tiny grain of comfort exists alongside your stress. Life can be challenging, and yet in this exact breath, you are safe. Both can be true at the same time. Let this micro anchor fill your chest like a warm, quiet ember. You are anchoring yourself in the truth that you are resilient, soft, and worthy of peace, even in the middle of an unfinished story. Let these uplifting truths settle deep into your nervous system. As you hear them, receive them as a loving promise to yourself. I honor my pain, but I am not defined by it. I give myself permission to go slow when life feels heavy. I am allowed to find moments of quiet joy, even while things are uncertain. My current season is a passage, not a permanent home. I am deeply proud of how softly and courageously I am navigating this season. And now, I'm going to give you some moments to yourself to enjoy this present space. There is nowhere else you need to be, and nothing else you need to accomplish right now. Just allow yourself to exist in this moment, exactly as you are. If your mind starts to wander, use this as a reminder to bring yourself back to the safety and comfort that live within. Good job. Take a deep, luxurious breath into your entire body, letting that warm ember of peace expand into your shoulders, arms, and legs. Hold it softly at the top, feeling your innate strength, and release it with a long, satisfying, freeing sigh. You have done such wonderful healing work for yourself today. Carry this soft, unforced peace with you. When you feel ready, Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, roll your shoulders back, and open your eyes. You've got this. Thank you for sharing your quiet courage with me today.